Hey. Come here. Hey. Oh, look at you. Got a friend who goes for your type. Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah. Shaking my hand now. Wait till you get the bill. How's your insurance, son?